Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Coach with Arhan, and in today's video we are looking at a problem, and the problem is finding repeated number in the array. So let's look at this problem. So the problem says you are given an array of integers where one number is repeated. The array contains n plus 1 integers where each integer is between 1 and n inclusive. Your task is to find repeated number in the array. So it is given that we have been given an array where one number is a duplicate and the array contains n plus 1 integers where each integer is between 1 and n. So we have to find the repeated number in the array. So let's start solving this problem real quick. Solution. Yes, this is nums is equal to 3, 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay. Then we print the result. We print this using the f string. Here we have string. So the duplicate number is find duplicate. Duplicate terms. Okay. Here we have write our function. So now let's write our function now. So we write function is def find duplicate terms. Now in this we have been given that this function takes a list or array of integers nums and returns the duplicated number. So what does this function do is this function takes a list or the array that we have overwritten here and returns the duplicate number which is in the list or the array. So we have to first create a dictionary to keep track of the number we see. Okay, so we will create a dictionary. That keeps the track of the numbers we see. Actually, we will create an empty dictionary. Now here we write so we write num dic is equal to now we will create a loop or we say we will iterate through the loop to we will iterate the loop through each number in the list. So we iterate through the list and we again create for in nums we have to check if the number is already already in the dictionary. So if num in num dict if the number is already in the dictionary, then we will return the number. So we write return num. Yes. Now we write an else statement. No. We write else if the number is not in the dictionary, then we will add it to the dictionary, or we will say that if the number is not in the dictionary, then we add it to the dictionary with a count of 1. So basically, if the number is not in the dictionary, we will add it to the dictionary with the count of the 1, and if the number is already in the dictionary, then we return the number in the if segment, and this else segment will contain not in the dictionary. So be careful at this. So we write num underscore d num equals to 1. Okay. Now we have if no duplicates is found, if no duplicates is found, although the problem can is only one. If no other problem guarantees that one exists. So it is that one exists. So we return what is for it is done, we do return done. It is coming outside. Okay. Now we have done with the coding part, so let's run this code and see it returns a duplicate number 3. So what does it do is we have created a function named find duplicate. This function takes a list or the array of integers and returns a duplicate number. Now we have created an empty dictionary to keep the track of a number we see. Then we iterate through the list, or we iterate through the numbers in the list. So we have like the for loop here. Then inside the for loop we have written an if statement to check if the number is already in the dictionary. Then we write the if statement, and if the number is already in the dictionary, then we return the number. Then we have written here return num. Else if the number is not in the dictionary, then we add it to the dictionary with the count of 1. So we have written num, the num is equal to 1. And finally at the last, if there is no duplicate found, although it is said that in problem that one exists, then we have to return none. So let's check that also. We write nums without duplicate. Now let's say instead of 3 here we have write 9, and then if we put in this, then nums without duplicate. So let's see. Then it will return none. So in this list or array, there is no duplicate. There is 3, 1, 9, 4, 2. Since there is no duplicate of number here, so it will return none. So guys, don't forget to check out this code or solution with another arrays of yours. Create your own array like this function and check if the functions work correctly. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like the video. So make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and comment. Thank you.